What's happening, nigga? What's happening, world? Stupid ass. What's happening, world? Bitch, it feels good. Nigga, I said, nigga, fucking nigga on my mama.
Yeah, like, record me, you get a lot of views.
Look at her. Why she doing that?
Act like Demi.
She do, and she always want to know where Demi get it from. Her grandbaby.
Also recording me.
Okay, we rolling with nephew, and you know he got his favorite auntie.
Okay.
His favorite auntie. Turned up.
First of all, you're gonna be natural. Don't act like the camera's not here, ma'am.
Exactly. I don't.
Thank you. That's why I didn't even want to tell her. Yeah, I didn't want to tell her. Okay, I was getting it because she go. This bitch talking about you record me. Bitch.
I act like it's not even there. Literally.
Yeah. What is that?
This is my natural me. What you let man if you been drinking?
They don't know.
What I'm supposed to say?
Nothing.
I'm say I haven't been drinking.
Yeah. They gonna say, okay, ma'am.
Get the fuck out.
Get the fuck on out of here.
Let
Come
me
on,
get my
cuz.
peppermints.
And you behind us.
Anybody want a peppermint?
I'll take one. Oh,
Yes, you got one.
my hand ain't steady with the camera.
You're gonna look at the road and don't look at me.
But you know I want to keep it moving.
You see yourself?
Oh, that's nice. You can see yourself.
What they doing?
They coming out.
So you just have to put the disclaimer that you don't own the rights to this music. Then we can bump.
Right. Not we can bump. Okay, y'all. So right now we're on our way to the gun range. LJ is driving right now. It's gonna be lit, y'all. Really? I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I hate hearing the sound of guns pop.
Little
LJ,
Boogie Man is rolling.
Boogie Man used to this, I guess. But me, I'm scared. Y'all scared? What you feel like?
I mean, I've done it before.
Right. We all did it before. Keep that in
I've
mind. Keep that
never
in mind.
done it before.
But it's always kind of, you know.
It's
It's for me.
adrenaline.
It like it put it into
Yeah,
perspective.
your
I got that much power. I don't like that. Like I don't like that. I don't know.
Yeah, that your jury do be rushing.
Yeah. But yeah, we gotta do it though, cause
I want somebody to be on my ass,
I need some
holding my
practice.
hands, and I'm
Girl,
like, that's what I want.
this motherfucker crazy.
I want that to be tight.
She wants somebody on her ass.
I want somebody on my ass and say like Bonnie and Clyde kind of shit.
that's only in the movies, babe.
Look at TJ glasses. She recording us too, y'all, with her Ray-Bans on.
Oh, she really is. Keep in
Stories,
mind.
Ray-Ban stories in a heel.
So y'all might get like inner footage of us shooting. Yeah, y'all might get first person view. Slick. So yeah, right now we just cruising.
I ain't gonna roll up no weed though right now because we can't go in there smoking like no weed. They might not let us shoot.
Okay, y'all. Tell them bye.
Bye, see you in a minute.
We're gonna show y'all in a minute once we get to our destination. Is there anything you want to say? See you then. All right. Not focusing.
Stop recording until you focus.
I did already.
You see 765 over there?
What?
Calendar.
I'm looking like I know, like
I'm trying to act like I'm helping you. I'm not helping.
I don't know what I'm looking at. Yeah, I don't know.
Like,
I love it. When it's gun range, we're gonna try to shoot these guns and get us practice in
Put your headphones on.
so we can know what we're doing in case somebody try to. Cause we ain't playing none of that shit in 2023, baby.
But we didn't play it in 2022 either. So.
That's true. You're right about that, daughter.
Get them on. You know Yes.
Let's
Okay.
get it. Let's get it.
It's giving ski trip.
Get it. Sell Angie talking to about the old man. Are you doing me?
No, I'm not.
I'm telling you, hit him.
She want me to record them, y'all. She said these the ones we gotta watch.
Look how he blinked.
Who?
Look how he blinking. Watch when he go back over there.
Okay.
Now watch them little ass. Shoot you, nigga. No, that ain't playing none of that.
Oh, Lord.
What we think about trying to get out there?
You got me last time.
What's that?
Girl, you don't know him.
I don't.
Like a day after
Come back. I gotta do what I want to do. Nephew, he said when I came last time, I got a response a day later saying I get approved. Remember I said they came trying to buy a gun and they was like, you gotta wait 24 to 40. I said, fuck that, give me my money back. I'll wait for no one.
Say hi.
Andy,
You're so pretty. You got a dimple, you know that? You got a dimple. Show them. Hang on.
Whoopi had to have glasses.
It's a video. It's a vlog, yeah.
Hey, you watching her dude? You back over there?
That's YouTube. You do that YouTube thing?
LJ.
You do the YouTube thing?
What?
Look at him filming this shit. We finna get him now. Look at him now. Every time he come back, I told you. What happened?
This LJ.
What you do with them glasses you had?
Right here.
I'm not sure. Last time I looked, they pull out.
This is 18.
Yeah, I gotta wait for that.
I want to record for you though.
Me do yours? Huh? You do yours? No. I think you gotta have it up there. Okay. Sit it on the thing.
That'll work.
She sat it up there. So she had her gun up there though, right? Yeah.
There's no guns back here.
Thank
left it.
Oh wow.
I'll take it out.
Okay, so
Look how his right hand side. Like a they're on your face. Ricochets happen and bitch in the eye.
Yeah.
Garbage.
Got you. They left us right. See, we just went out. You gotta go press the volume button on it. Take it back on. It's on the power setting on. Microphone is.
Nephews. You know how to load it. Oh, they keep jamming. Got some power.
okay.
He was shooting that motherfucker right there. Damn. Let me see what this shit. All headshots, baby.
Next.
Me. Hey, you load?
I put a lot in here. I'm about to put all of them in here.
We gotta move some of that. Move some of that.
No problem.
Aim, what you got? Come out, aim. You was trash?
Yeah, I ain't either for some reason. Because why I ain't get them? And sit it down.
Come on, auntie. That's cool right there. Oh.
Y'all laughing? Go. I gotta see it. Shot first.
What, the gun?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
One time.
You watch you. I'm not gonna shoot it into
Aim, Angie, aim.
I think
Look,
so.
look. Look in between. Aim the front in between there to wherever you want to shoot.
So I'm aiming for number 7.
Yeah, so put the front dot, that front dot on the 7 and look through that and make sure it's even. Feel me?
You see how you turn though? You gotta hold it.
You gotta hold.
Hold it, because it's gonna slip. Yep, see?
There you go.
You gotta hold it because it jumped back. Soon
Yeah, but it
soon you
ain't.
hit it, it swell over here.
Oh, it hit his back.
Motherfucker not trying to.
Wait.
Turn to the side a little bit.
No, not to do.
Come on, auntie.
Again, most semi-automatic don't have safety. A lot of Glocks don't.
I hit it in team.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, all right. She almost dropped that mug.
Can I show you something
Yes.
about gripping that gun? Might
Yes.
help you out. Get back in there. Switch over to the other side. This thing still got anything on it?
Yeah. I'm doing good.
That dude's freaking fantastic.
No, well,
This is an old way of holding it. I was taught this in 1969.
Getting down and dirty.
Like this.
Down and dirty. It's going down. It's about to go down. It is. Locked and loaded.
I don't know what to do.
Why? Who do you think it is? Who is it?
Damn. Okay, that's what I'm talking about now. It's clearing out around this beach. Yeah, me.
That's what he just told me.
That's what that happened? Oh, man.
No, that's what he was showing me. What
He
to
seen you do that?
Oh, I didn't even see you.
I ain't see you do that either.
Try to keep it flat and so you got a good solid base. And then when you're in here shooting,
Should have 2 more bullets in there.
Try the 38. Closer though. It said closer. Motherfucker, tell him motherfucker get up off me. Tell him get up off me. Say get up off me. Frame me. Say get up off me.
I gotta like.
Yeah, just shoot. Yeah, you ain't gotta do nothing. You feel me? I aim though. Gang. Alright.